So I am from Mahanam Vidyalaya.
From where?
Mahanam Vidyalaya Kirimatiya Olikanda.
Yeah.
I live in Kotuwegedara. I am Pali Talukdunna.
Yeah.
We are doing a project with a school called Rustington Community Primary School.
Yeah.
So they have asked me to send anything related to our culture. So I am trying to get some photographs of all residents or manor house or something like that. So I am trying to send them and comparing their architecture with our Sri Lankan architecture. So I came to know, and I know that this is a very old Walauwa. Kapadipola Walauwa. And this is this was built by after that one, no? That was the old one.
Old one.
Yeah. So after getting the permission, I just got something.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
You are Mr.
Plum.